Alright, good day everyone, this is Crypto Slim, and in this video we're going to talk about how to convert your cryptocurrency dust, or how to convert your small balances or your small assets, how to convert how to convert them to BNB, because without converting them they will just be there, useless, more or less useless, you understand? So how to convert everything to BNB, you understand? But then before we continue to talk about how to convert your small balances to BNB, if you're watching this video for the very first time and you've not clicked on you've not subscribed rather to my YouTube channel, kindly click on the subscribe button. So yes, as I was saying, I said in this video we're going to be talking about how to convert your small balances, or how to convert your crypto dust into BNB, into the Binance coin. So actually, cryptocurrency dust, or the small balances, are actually small portion of cryptocurrencies that are left from the trades you took. You understand? Small portions that are left from it, or you could also get a cryptocurrency dust from what we call a kickback commission. A kickback commission. So, and how do you get that? If you actually signed up using what's it called, using someone's referral link, you understand? So if you sign up using someone's referral link, so on every trade that person takes, you get I think 5% kickback commission. Understand? So I think 5% kickback commission. So okay, so that is what actually makes up a crypto dust. You understand? So but then they'll be useless except you convert them to BNB. You convert everything to BNB. So in this video, like I said, we're going to talk about how to convert them to BNB. So in order to convert them to BNB, you click on your wallet. Click on the button that says wallet. Yeah, you click on wallet. All right. So then you see here, convert small assets to BNB. You understand? Convert small assets to BNB. So you click. So these are your small balances that you have here. These are the list of the small balances you have here. So you can decide to actually pick them one after the other. Pick them one after the other. Or you can decide to click on all. This is it here, all. So you click on all. Can you see? So once you click on all, then you click on convert. You click on convert. So as you can see, this is it. This is the amount you get. This is the amount of your my small balances resulted to. So the amount yours will result to, it depends on whatever, you understand? But then that's not where we are going to. So I'm just trying to show us, but in this video I'm not going to convert mine now. So I'm just trying to show us how to convert from your small balances to BNB. So after converting it to BNB, you can either choose to leave it at BNB or convert them back to BTC or USDT. So if you choose to leave them at BNB, you can actually be using it as your trading fee. You understand? So you can actually be using them as a trading fee, where they'll be taking part of your BNB. As your trading fee whenever you take a trade. You understand? Or you can choose to convert it to BTC from BNB. You understand? So if you want to convert it to BTC, it's simple. You simply go to home or trade, whichever one you want to go to. Go to home, then you search. Click on the search icon. So you search BNB. You want to convert BNB to let's say USDT. BNB USDT, this is it. Or if you want to convert it to BTC, it's still the same process. Click on it. Okay, come on, network, come on. Yeah, okay. So since you want to convert your BNB to USDT, so the next thing you do is you click on sell. You click on sell. Yeah. So next you click on 100%, or whatever amount of portion you want to convert to USDT. So if you want to convert everything, click on 100%. If you want to convert a portion, input the portion you want to convert, then click on sell. So it will be converted to USDT. Now listen, the fact that you converted your small balances to BNB does not mean once you convert it, it will now add up to the total amount you have. No, you see the total amount you have is still part of the summation of the small balances that are there. When you add the small balances then together with the main ones you have, it will still result to the amount the amount you're having, the balance you're having at the top. You understand? Your main balance is still result to that. So it doesn't necessarily mean because okay you've converted your small balances to BNB, so automatically the amount you converted you now add to the amount to your main balance. No, your main balance is the summation of every coin, including the small balances and the main balance. Understand? Including everything. So the one you have at the top is the main, this one here is the summation of every coin that you have. You understand? So do not make the mistake of thinking once you convert your small balances to BNB, then it will now add up to this particular one. No, you understand? So so basically that is how to convert your small balances or your cryptocurrency dust to BNB. So yeah, once again, this is Crypto Slim, and peace out.